Want to make your data merge layouts smarter and more visual? In this video, I'll show you how to add icons and inline images that dynamically follow your data, even when fields above are missing. Within this membership directory, each member can list handles or identities for accounts on Instagram, Dribbble, and Behance. Wouldn't it be nice if we put the appropriate icon beside each of those? You could add them to the data source as images, of course, but there's no reason to. Deselect everything by clicking on an empty area of the page or pasteboard, and then choose File, Place. And place them into InDesign just like 1, 2, 3. First, obviously we need to resize these. If you don't know how I did that, I held down the Command and Shift keys on my Mac before dragging from the bottom left corner. On Windows, you'd hold Control and Shift. Remember to depress the keyboard keys before you click on the control corner and start dragging. Otherwise, you'll resize the frames but not the images within them. With that done, we now need to get them in position beside the merge placeholders. Because this document will be multiple records per page, we can't just stick them on the page and expect them to line up with every record. We can, however, anchor them inline in the text. Let's start with Instagram after zooming in a bit. Click and drag from the blue box on the Instagram image frame and drop it right before the Instagram placeholder. You can see the blue box change to an anchor to indicate that the frame is now anchored. Do the same with the Dribbble and Behance icons. Select the Instagram icon again and go to Object, Anchored Object, Options. Turn on Preview and then set the position to inline or above line. See that? The icon snapped to be in front of the merge placeholder. A little negative y-axis offset pulls the icon down and fits it nicely. Click OK, then repeat the process for the other two icons. You could even make an object style to apply the anchored object options if you like. Turning on Preview, I can see that these icons are just a little bit too close to the text they accompany. I think a thin space will separate them well. Yes, that works. Now if we merged, we'd get those icons anchored in every record. Anchored images will move with the text, whether they're inline or aligned elsewhere. If, for instance, a record didn't include an email address, the remove blank lines for empty fields would hide that line and move the Instagram line, including the inline icon, up to fill the space that would have been occupied by the email address. Anchoring images to merge fields takes your data merge layouts from functional to fantastic. Whether you're designing a directory, product sheet, or catalog, inline icons keep things visual and flexible. If this helped level up your layout automation, give the video a like and subscribe. More data merge tips, as well as plenty of other InDesign tips, will be coming on this channel every week of the year. You don't want to miss any. Until next time. Chuck Norris's biography is an entire book made of orphans and widows. If you're not Chuck Norris, I wish you orphan and widow-free text composition.